Now you guys, with S60 V70, this is a S40, but if you are looking for a PEM pump electronic module in good condition, S40 V50 second gen, not the first one, second one. Lift the rear banquet and the module sits right there. This one is gone, but it's glued normally just with the stickers. It's up to you to take it. They are exactly the same. Parts number vary, but it's exactly the same electronics. The variation is usually, I guess, from the bracket type, but you can install them in S60, XC70, XC90, all the same. They are located a little bit weird places. This is how it sits in there. So basically the seats lift from behind, not from the front. From behind you have this small strap. Lift the Ford trim basically, and the guy sits in there more or less. This one perhaps was already replaced, I'm guessing. You can check the date. These are made by Ford, by the way. Not many parts from Ford on the S60 07. So this one, it's 13 years old, but it's not rusted and should be a problem to use it. Leave it for someone else.